Every war begins with a reaction. Every broken marriage, every ruined career, every suicide, every regret you carry, it started with a reaction. You can buy the best schooling, the smartest technology, the finest healthcare, the best teams, but you cannot buy the power to respond when life tests you. That power to pause, to choose wisely, and to rise above compulsive reaction is priceless. These reactions may look like isolated moments, but they quietly destroy lives. In the mind, they become stress, anxiety, and depression. In the body, they become fatigue, burnout, and illness. At work, lost focus, inconsistency, and poor outcomes. In relationships, conflict, loneliness, isolation. Deep inside, they fuel negative thinking and self doubt. We call these the 5 dysregulations, and they are quietly destroying our future. Over 2 billion people are suffering worldwide. According to WHO, 75% of these do not even get any treatment. The world is spending billions on therapy apps, bots, and mood trackers. But most of them are band-aids, managing symptoms only after the breakdown begins. Modern medicine was never built for prevention. It doesn't even define the human mind clearly. So how do we expect it to solve the problem from the root? Ancient India always had the answer. Yogic psychology defines mental wellness as our ability to regulate our responses. When we don't know how to respond, we react. These repeated reactions become dysregulation, leading to trauma, breakdown, and disempowerment. That's why we built Seeker, a new category in mental wellness, a simple, scalable system that helps people overcome their compulsive reactions. We call this system self-mastery, the very essence of yoga. Over the last 10 years, we've married yogic psychology with clinical science and AI and developed the 4 foundations of self-mastery. The choice-making mind thesis, a framework that clearly defines the mind and explains the root cause of reactions and dysregulation. AI diagnostics, a technology that can measure and predict response patterns with remarkable accuracy. Attention protocols. These reset the nervous system before the damage can begin. Self-mastery journeys. These programs transform reaction loops into winning responses. So far, Seeker diagnostics have been used by over 15,000 people. It's been independently validated by a computational biology lab at IIIT Delhi with a predictive accuracy of up to 98%. Pilot studies have shown measurable improvements in stress, anxiety, emotional regulation, sleep, focus, and energy levels. On the strength of these results, Seeker is now moving from beta to a full rollout of the self-mastery system. This is not another wellness app. It's a new category altogether. A low-cost, deep tech platform, the school of self-mastery in your pocket. We're not building a company. We're starting a movement. Made in India for the good of the world. And now it can become a part of your legacy. If Seeker helps solve only 5% of this global crisis, your support would have changed 100 million lives. So we invite you to stand with India, to stand on the right side of history.